Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. It's been a few days since I've shot any footage. Sparkle's been kind of taking over on that, cooking some great meals for everybody. I know I've been enjoying them in the evening. We've just been taking care of other things and just not on the property. So we're back, or I'm back, and it's starting to get colder and colder here. In northern Ohio. Our Great Lakes still isn't frozen like Erie, but we still get some pretty cold temperatures sometimes, and then we get that thing that I don't know if many people know about this, because it's kind of like Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York thing. Sometimes Michigan. Lake effect snow. So we haven't had any of that yet. But I think this coming week and into the weekend, we're going to have that. But I came out to the workshop just to make sure we weren't below freezing, because I do not heat this 24/7. And I got paints and stains and stuff that I just don't want to freeze. It's, you know, I have a lot of material that I just don't want wrecked. But with the snow we're supposed to be getting, I need to make some modifications to the Power King. So I have, last summer I changed from lawn tires to the Crossbar agricultural tires on it, and they worked great. All summer, got me through the mud, did everything I need them to do. Snow, I was hoping they would work out. The other day we got a couple inches of snow, and I just, you know, most of the time I don't do anything, but I didn't want Sparkle to have any problems with the drive. So I cleaned up everything for her with Power King, but I slipped a little bit with the Crossbar tires, more than I wanted to. So we're gonna put the chains back on I had last year on the agricultural tires. I hope they fit. If not, we'll modify them. My father gave me buckets and buckets of truck and car tire chains, so we can modify them to whatever we need to. That's not a problem. We just need to put them on. So we're going to work on that tomorrow. But the main goal of coming out here tonight is to make sure that all our paints and stains aren't freezing. So mission accomplished with that. For the really cold temperatures and not having a big project that needs to be handled, I haven't been in here and having it all fired up, but Honey's liking running around, so let's go check on the wine while we're in here. All right, we're in our climate controlled wine room. It is 70 degrees in here. Definitely no need for the hat and the jacket and all that stuff. We're holding pressure. That's great. I'm actually going to send a text message out to one of my buddies and see if he's around tomorrow. And we might rack the wine only if he's around, because it's just easier with the second person. But I'm glad that the wine's doing good. Everything's great in the workshop. I just wanted to come out and check it all out. So now, we can go back inside and get warm again by the fireplace. Sparkle has another great meal going for us, but just wanted to give everybody an update of what's happening in the wine room and our next project happening here on Sparkle Farm. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I just wanted to do something really quick. Like I said, we've been out taking care of other stuff, and we're back and ready to work. Here we go.